If you're encountering the Cloud Save error 2025 on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A poor or intermittent connection can cause issues with syncing cloud saves. Step 2. Restart Steam Client. Close the Steam Client completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the connection to the Steam servers and may resolve the cloud save error. Step 3. Verify game files. Navigate to your game library, right-click on the affected game, and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files. Step 4. Sync cloud saves manually. In the Steam client, go to the Steam menu, select Settings, then Cloud. Ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization option is checked. You can also try to manually sync your saves by launching the game and allowing it to connect to the cloud. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can help reset any settings that may be causing the cloud save error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error 2025 on your Steam Deck. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.